Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we'll see how we can create a professional website in just few minutes with even completely free hosting. So you don't need to pay for hosting. You don't need to pay for a subdomain, I would say, not a domain, but yeah. So you don't need to pay for hosting and it's completely free to use and it's very easy to install WordPress or other CMS. So without further ado, let's go ahead. So here are a few steps that you need to follow. First step, go to this website. I'll give the link below in the description. So when you are here, click on register. Give your email. So verify your account. Once your account is activated, click on create new account. So once you are here, give it your domain name. So domain name is something that you type here. So I would say choose the domain. You can use custom domain as well if you have the domain. So if you have the custom domain, just put the domain name and check availability. And I'm going to use the free domain. So this is the domain name you can select. Let me check the availability. Just look like this is available. So go ahead, click here. Click on manage. So let's try if our website is loading. So see, this is loading. So sometimes it may take some time to load due to some DNS propagation, but it's completely fine. So once your website is active, click on control panel. Click on approve. So this is the cPanel you have. So from here, click on software colors. So this is the WordPress. Of course, if you want to install any other CMS, you can do so from here. I'm going to install WordPress. So click on install. Click on quick install. Give any admin username. Give it a password. Click on install. So give it a couple of minutes to get it installed. So it has been installed. So if you go to website now, it will look like this. So to manage the pages, WP admin, or we can create from here. So to log you in, go to appearance, then themes. So this is the default WordPress theme. It comes with the WordPress. So go ahead and click on adding new themes. So this is the theme we are going to install. Click install. Click activate. So once it is activated, click on here to download the starter templates. It'll just give you a predefined template that you can use and very easy to use. So once it is activated, it will show you whether you want a AI builder or a classic starter template. Since we will be installing templates, we'll go with this. First of all, select your editor. So we'll go with Elementor. Then just choose one from here. So I'll go ahead and I'll select this. Click continue. Skip this step. Fill this up. So if you want, you can import content, but this is not necessary. I'll go ahead and click the submit. Oh, it's asking for email. So it's done. Let's go ahead and check our website. Cool. You now have a fully professional designed website. So you can change your home page, you can change your headers, you can change logo and everything. So to change any text from here, to edit this page, click on edit with Elementor. So you can just type anything. You can drag and drop. Very easy to use. You can click on the picture, you can change the image, upload your image and select that. Like that, you can do everything from here. To change other pages of your website, you can again go back to your dashboard, go to pages, and choose the one that you want to edit. Then click on edit with Elementor. You can again create new pages. Click new page. Edit with Elementor. Done. That's how you can do it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.